So let's start this one. So here's the problem. I have a sequence of digits, and what I want to do is find digits that match the next digit in a row. So 1 matches 1, so there's 1. 1 doesn't match 2, but 2 matches 2, so there's a 2, and that's it. And by the way, it's circular, so 4 goes back to 1. You just want to find the digits that repeat. So here's a sequence, 1, 1, 1, 1. And so the answer is 1, 1, 1, 1. Every 1 is followed by another 1. So all 4 of the 1s are matched by the next letter, the next digit. And 1, 2, 3, 4, none of the digits match. Even the wraparound 4 goes to 1, so there's none. And here's one, 9, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. The only thing that matches is this 9 matches that 9. So the output would be just 9. So this is the way all these problems are. They have some nice test cases here. So let's say input, I don't know, sequence, okay? Sequence equals 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. That's my first case. Now I'd like to split that into a list, and that was in the lecture stuff. I think it was just list, right? Is it list? Maybe I can't remember what it was. I don't remember, so I'm going to ask AI, Python, how to explode a string into a list of letters. It's explode in PHP. In Python, it's list. Oh, it is list of string. Okay, I thought it might be, but that seemed like that might be too easy. So I'll be list of sequence. Let's see what that is. Okay, it has to spend a few seconds spinning up my container to get, okay, that's it. That did it. Good. That's good. So I'll call that L equals list of sequence. All right, now. Okay. I'm going to set previous number equals -1, which will never match anything. And now I'm going to do for num in L. If, so let's have the output go somewhere. The output is going to be survivors, or matches, I guess I'll call it matches, equals an empty list. All right, so if num equals previous, then matches append num. And then prev equals num. Now that seems like that might do it. Let's see if it works on this 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. Oh, then I got to print the output. The output is print matches. All right, that might do it. Yep, 1 and 2. Yep, that seems to have done it. And then you can try a few more of these, like 1, 1, 1, 1. What I usually do is I just put them all here, all the test cases. All right, this one should give me 4 1s as an output. And 3 1s. Ah, I forgot the wraparound at the end. Okay, how do we do the end? Might have to, well, I think I'll leave that for you folks. You have to figure out how to add the one at the end. But this should get you started. That's one way to do it. There are much more clever ways to do it, I'm sure, but this is one very simple way to do it. And so now you've got some data here, which is going to be much bigger, and you want to find the digits that match and add them together. And here's another one where you have to match opposite digits, have to match the digit halfway around the circular list. And so there's a few ways. So that's one word project to try. So let me stop this recording.